Fine dining it is. Hey, Alex.
Hey, I'm so glad you made it.
Yeah, thanks for joining me.
You know me, I'm always up for a good Chinese meal.
Good. So what do you like about this place?
This view, of course.
Hong Kong skyline never gets old.
You hungry?
Yeah, I
Let's
am.
order.
Sure. What should we get?
Let's have the signature dishes.
Yeah.
We got the pigeon, or king prawn, Peking duck, garupa fillet. Thank you. Got it. I think you'll be really impressed by the presentation of the food.
Yeah, you know, I love that Hong Kong fine dining restaurants are able to combine both art
Thank you.
and food together.
Wow. So nice.
Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that presentation.
Yeah, so this is their sweet and sour prawn, and this is the plum sauce. And you can actually eat the head as well, because it's deep fried.
I don't know if I'll be able to do that. It's giant.
And this is the garupa with chicken broth.
Oh, wow. Look at the gold flakes in there.
Yeah. So the chicken broth is not just chicken broth. It's made with like pork, duck, pork knuckle, dried scallops.
All these different flavors inside. That's amazing.
Oh, this is very impressive.
Wow.
This
now
is
this
their-
is the specialty, isn't
Yeah,
it?
this is their pigeon with oolong tea. Oh, they use Taiwanese oolong tea. Taiwanese oolong tea is a mixture of northern and southern Fujian style tea. And next we have the Peking duck. This is special because the meat to fat ratio is higher.
Oh, good.
Right.
So you get more meat when you bite
Yes.
into it. Oh, I love that.
Let's start with the prawns.
Yes. They're almost too pretty to eat. Okay. So tender, right? But the outside is really crispy and the plum sauce makes it so sweet. You know what I love about Hong Kong cuisine? Is that you can literally get the same dish on the streets as Dai Pai Dong, but then you can come to fine dining and have it presented to you in a very elegant and more refined way.
Yes.
And it tastes just as good, but honestly,
It's a whole new experience, right?
so you're gonna go for the head now?
Okay, let's do it.
I don't even know if I can pick it out with my chopsticks. Oh yeah, dip it in the sauce. I love that you can crunch into it every time. It makes it exciting.
This prawn has a really, really big head.
Let's try the garupa next, yeah? So you said that this soup is the special part. Oh, and the egg white is at the bottom. Oh, it's beautiful. Tell me, Alex, why do you think food culture is so important in Hong Kong?
Hong Kong's very, very diverse, I think. You can have food in the streets like in Dai Pai Dongs, or you can have food in places like this.
I honestly think it's also because the fact that there's so many diverse people here, and whenever they come to Hong Kong as their hub, they bring their food with them.
Everything put in one place. So let's have the pigeon. Have you ever had pigeon before?
I think I had it once, but when I was really, really young, so this is gonna be almost new for me. All right, let's give it a try.
You can actually taste the smoke flavor.
You can really taste the smoked flavor.
Yeah, it's very, very smoky.
But it's not overwhelming at all. The meat is actually quite light tasting as well.
Exactly.
It's so nice.
Yeah, I've seen you've been eyeing the Peking duck.
I'm excited for it. Do you actually know how to wrap the Peking duck?
Let's see who can make a better one.
I'm actually really good at it, so.
Okay, let me get you a pancake.
These are my favorite.
Okay, so how do you want to do it? You want to put sauce first or the duck?
I usually put sauce first.
Okay.
Ooh, I love this sauce. It's very sweet. And then I'm gonna get the duck.
Awesome.
All right, here we go. So you fold it like this in half.
Okay.
And you fold the sides in. How's yours?
Yeah, that looks all right. I'm actually quite surprised of how I made it.
Not bad.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is the Hong Kong version of the Beijing Peking duck, right?
It is. This is the most commonly found Peking duck variation you find in like London and Australia.
Oh, I see. And I think that's because the traditional Beijing Peking duck is a bit more fatty, right?
Yes.
More skin as
So
well.
people like to have it a bit more meaty.
I see. I love that the cucumber adds a nice, cool touch to it.
Crisp.
It's a perfect blend. I wish I could stay, but I have to go. I'm gonna go have some dessert now.
What are you going to order?
I'm thinking of one of the most traditional Hong Kong desserts. What do you think?
I know you have a sweet tooth, so maybe egg waffles
Ooh,
or maybe mango sago.
I love mango sago.
Right.
That's a really good idea.
Okay.
All right, well, I'm gonna decide and I'll let you know what I have.
Okay.
Okay.
See you.
Bye, Alex.
Take care. Bye-bye.